Hello guys, LifeHackster here. I recently reviewed the Tapo C120, a Starlight Sensor 2K camera which competes head-to-head with Wyze cameras. I will link that video down below if you haven't seen it yet. The main advantage of the Tapo from Wyze is that most of the camera features, like its AI detection, doesn't need a subscription. I also have made videos of the easiest and the cheapest security camera setup, especially if you're just starting out. And that is by using indoor cameras to look outside your window using their window mounts. And I made a comparison video of different brands that have their own or some company made window mounts for them. And I will also link that video down below. And because the Tapo C120 is a pretty new camera, at this time of recording, nobody yet is selling window mounts for it. Well, my son designed one for me. This is 3D printed, and I will share the STL file down below if you have a 3D printer. Now, you just have to comment and thank my son for it. Now, I'm pretty sure someone will sell a silicone window mount for this C120 pretty soon, and I think silicone is a better material for this type of mounts. But anyways, I'm interested in seeing how this camera performs, especially at night with some lights. But before that, I just have to say this. You have to tweak some settings in the camera if you want the camera through glass setup. And that is to turn off spotlights on the camera, because if it is on, you will get the light glare. And this is when the spotlight is reflected back to the camera lens. And the same thing with infrared night vision. It will just result in infrared glare and the footage becomes unusable. With a Tapo, to turn this off, go to the settings, video and display, and on the night mode settings, make sure night boost is off. And this is also where you control the spotlight, so you just have to turn this off. And also make sure that the status light is also set to off. And this is the mount, and eventually when someone sells this, it will come with a pre-cut mounting tape like this, which I got from my other mounts. But for now, I'll just use my good old roll of mounting tape. I just have to cut it in half lengthwise, and I want it on all sides, like so. Then just push in the Tapo C120, which it is a perfect fit on this mount. Okay, on the window, just peel off the liner of the tape and mount it on the window like so. Now, before showing you the footage, I'll show you first the footage of a regular camera sensor, which I'll show the Eufy C24, or now it's called the Indoor Cam C120. And this is without lights, and as you can see, it's a little bit dark. Now, this is the footage from the Tapo C120. The audio is from a wireless mic and not from the camera. Because of the glass window, you could barely hear me.
And this is what it looks like at 10 feet. 15. 20. 25, 30. Hopefully you can see me, and that's just with the Starlight Sensor.
The best setup for this though is to have some outdoor lighting outside.
So this is the video quality of the Tapo C120 at night, and this is on my 3D window mount, and this is what it looks like at 10 feet. 15, 20, 25, 30. I have the lights on, barely. That one turned off. And this one barely have a battery now. So it's a little bit dim, but it should be okay with the Starlight Sensor.
And how about in daytime?
So this is the video quality of the Tapo C120 on a window mount in a camera through glass window setup. And video clarity test at 10 feet, 15, 20, 25, 30. Running man test. Alright, so just to test if the notification and detection of the Tapo C120 still works when set up through the glass window. And I'm on my 5G cellular connection. Let's check it out. Ooh, that quick. As you can see, person detected. Click and hold. There's no rich notification just because I'm not subscribed to their cloud recording. And when you click on it though, it should open up the live view pretty quick right there. And I've been tagged as a person. That's something new. All right, cool.
As you can see, with a window mount, this Tapo C120 is now a contender with Wise and Eufy for a security camera through glass window setup. This is actually a better option. The only thing is that the rich notification or the notification snapshot is behind a subscription paywall. But in this setup though, it is not a deal breaker. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.